Hello everyone, so today I'm going to make a small clay pot, a pinch pot. I'm using air dry clay. You have several brands, I like this one. It's a German brand. So I start by making two balls with the clay. After that I will pinch each ball with my finger just to make a small bowl. I will just get some water. This clay is a little bit dry, so you have some cracks on the clay, and water will help to fix it. And for the first ball, I will pinch the edges. I will open the edges up. The second one, I will just make some cuts on the clay so that it can have a better grip. Now I put these two together. I like to use this tool to merge them together, but you can use your finger if you want. And now I'm just trying to, give it a more perfect shape. I don't mind if it's not completely perfect. I actually like that. It has a more rustic look to it, which I like. And now I'm using the same tool to make a hole in the middle, but you can use anything, even your finger if you want. And again, I'm using the same tool to make a little pattern, a line around the pot. But you can do any pattern on you can even paint the pot after it dried if you want. And here is the final result. I put it next to another one that I've made before. Thank you for watching and I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.